race truck. Darryl Church going to lead the field green. He changed the radiator free practice here today. Says he's feeling pretty confident. He's set to go. They're down the backstretch. Steamboat punches that green flag in his hand. Green flag in the air. We are underway.
Side by side.
is Marissa Morgan. 11th goes to Dane Saracelli. 12th goes to Jeff Bellier. 13th, Ethan Heilborn. 14th, John Scully III. 15th, Jack Brewer. 16th, Stephen Buckley. And 17th is Danny Tebow. As Jake Vanada collects the checkered flag, he'll take a victory lap. Kevin is going to speak with our podium here in just a few moments.
Darryl Church did everything he could to hold off the hard-charging Jake Vanada. He held that bottom lane like he was supposed to, but Jake just a little bit too strong on the outside. And they came across the stripe, side by side. Vanada picking up his first win of the season. Darryl, his second podium of the season, finishing second. And Mike Cavallaro rounding out the podium here tonight. And we'll talk to our podium in just a moment. As Jake savors this victory here tonight. Last week out early, after an early race incident. Tonight, a little redemption.
Yeah.
As he uses the outside to pick up the win over the final laps. A big smile on the face of Jake Vanada as he rolls out of the start-finish line, carrying the Seekonk checkered flag. The checkered flag. Under round of applause, our Jazz's Auto Body Sport Truck feature winner, Jake Vanada. You can hold it. Congratulations, Jake. Last week, an early exit after an early race incident. Tonight, using the outside lane to find your way to victory.
Yeah, the truck was awesome. Got good track position. Just grateful for my guys. I've been difficult to be around this week because there was no room for what I did last week to our team and every auto parts and all my sponsors. But hopefully I get up for it this week. You can't beat winning a race on the outside like that. So
tell us about that fight with Darryl. He held you quite a while as he held the bottom lane. It really made you work for it tonight.
Yeah, I enjoy racing Darryl a lot. Total gentleman out there. I appreciate him giving me the outside lane, picking a lane anyone on the bottom, and it was just a great race. A lot of fun. So I got to thank my sponsors, Roy and Trade, Edwards Auto Parts. I got to thank the fans for coming out and supporting us. We've had some really good crowds here this year. Thank you guys. Thank all of you so much. Watermark Electric, Haggerty Construction, Viking Sheet Metal, Bumper Accessories, Ham Chassis, Flagman Graphics. Just the truck was awesome. I just thank my guys so much because I've been a miserable human to be around, and we've spent a lot of time fixing this thing.
Well, this week will be better than normal.
It will be, and it's good timing because we're going to Loudoun on Wednesday with the campers, so we're going to have a lot of time.
Congratulations, welcome back to victory lane. Jake Vanada taking down the win here tonight. Second place finisher, Darryl Church. Darryl, you did everything you could to hold off that 29, just not enough.
No, not enough at the end. It got a little tight and a little loose, and I was trying to hold on to it. I know I was blocking him down the bottom, but I had to do what I had to do. But to lose to him, that's fine. He's a great driver. He's a great friend, so I'm fine with that.
A good fight there, and now you get some people to thank you. Had a lot of work to do on this truck tonight.
We did. We had a lot of work to do. 4 days at my buddy Adam's house with my buddy Alan Barr. He came and helped me all 4 days. Couldn't have a better friend. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Budget Drains, Steve Harvey Enterprises, Brian McSherry Bike Run, my wife Judy, Flagman Graphics, and Seekonk Speedway.
Congratulations, great second place finish for Darryl Church. Third place finisher, Mike Cavallaro. And Mike, that's the first smile I've seen on your face all year long.
Yeah, almost as good as the wave, not quite, but we've been struggling with the truck. Every time we got it close, somebody would rip my side of the truck off or something, and of course we had that little fireball last week that didn't help things, but we're running against $50,000 trucks, so our goal tonight was a top three, and managed to pull it out.
A good run there. You had a lot of competition working your outside, but you were able to hold them off at the end.
Yes, luckily it was a few more laps. I think they would have got me, but I know I saw Rick right behind me. He's been very fast this year. And like I said, we're happy with the top three today.
A lot of people helping you out, a lot of sponsors on board.
Yes, we got some new sponsors for this year. Elwood Dodge, of course, over in the corner, the guys helping me out. They're returning from last year with RDL Outdoor Power Equipment over here in 44 Rehoboth. Most of these sponsors are all family-owned businesses. So I got some new ones here. Fun City and Seekonk, right over near the Outback. They're going to, if you got kids, they want to do some trampoline jumping and stuff, they're probably going to have a special. Watch their website for me for finishing in the top three. They're going to do something free for a certain amount of time. They're really thrilled to be on the truck. We're looking forward to working with them next year. Higher Graphics for doing this outstanding wrap this year. A lot of detail in it. They do a super good job, which helps with the sponsors, obviously. Already mentioned on job. And a new sponsor this year also was One Connection. For all your dispensary needs, they're located in right off of Route 44 in Taunton. East Coast Collision to help me out when I get into the wall too often, and Highland Power Washing. And Evo.net, a friend of ours that runs drag racing. He runs the fastest Evo in the United States.
Congratulations. Welcome back to the podium. How about a round of applause for our top three, ladies and gentlemen. Third place to Mike Cavallaro, second to Darryl Church, and back in victory lane, Jake Vanada. Hold on. Mike forgot somebody.
I forgot to thank my crew. They were working relentless on this truck. Doug Rio for the setup, my daughter Christine, Tim Bolger in the #1 truck. I got his carburetor on here because I'm waiting for mine to come back from that and stuff. So it's just the last couple of weeks when we had issues. We had everybody from Friday night people coming to help us out to get us back on the track, and it's been wonderful.
Great to hear. Mike Cavallaro in third place tonight.